Okay, hello everyone. In this 7 to 10 minutes, we will be talking about what are classes and objects and how do they differ, and various type of members in classes, and what are they made of and what do they consist of. And we will be seeing a simple program which may which will help us to understand what are we talking about in this particular thing. So in Java, there are three things to always be remembered, which are compulsory and which occur in each and every of basic programs. So that thing is called a class structure. So class structure, okay. First of all, the program in front of us is a simple program which takes two numbers from the user and adds it and shows the addition. So what now, like, people ask what are variables, what are functions, what are this, what are that, and what is the Java at the base of it made of, what is it actually made of. So this program, I will try my best to make you understand what is actually happening here. So before we proceed any further, I think you may be a little bit of, you know, you are used to the topic that what is variables and what is function. You know what is that, and if you don't know, it's like a quick go through everything. So suppose when I declare one sentence int a equal to 9. So in this case, a variable with the name a and data type int will be declared in the memory, and in that memory the number 9 will be stored. So this whole sentence का मतलब वो होता है कि there will be a member memory location with the name a at xyz memory we don't know about, and the memory stored there will be 9. Okay. In other case, suppose int Gaurav. So again, the name of the memory will be Gaurav, the data type will be integer, the memory location we are not concerned about, but the memory space of int variable in which integers are stored is 4 bytes. And suppose I write int Gaurav equal to 500, then here, then at its memory 500 will be stored. Okay, so when I want to talk about what are classes and what are objects, so basically a Java function is made up of simple small things, like, you know, हमने सुना है कि every the smallest thing taking part in a chemical reaction is an electron. Like छोटी से छोटी चीज़ भी कुछ चेंज इधर उधर करनी पड़ती है तो उसके लिए हमको इलेक्ट्रॉन लगता है. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ अ जावा प्रोग्राम is are called members of variables. Other than that, also we have a class, we have a main, we have members and variables, which are the smallest part of a program. We have functions, or you can also call them methods. In these functions and methods, we use variables, we use loops, we use if-else statements, we use operators and all. And then we have objects. So to understand the least basic of everything, like the smallest to smallest distance, like to the smallest of smallest, if you want to understand at the least basic, you can understand like this. Ki, suppose I have this friend named Omkar, okay, and that guy like loves chicken, okay. So in a Java program, to understand a Java program, the more you correlate it to something which you do on a daily, not on a daily basis, because no one eats chicken daily, but like with your lifestyle, it gets quicker to understand, and it gets very easy. So uh, suppose there is a guy named Omkar, like not a guy, not any guy. I have a friend named Omkar and he loves chicken. So टू कुक चिकन, ठीक है, तो ओमकार को चिकन बनाने के लिए क्या चीज़ें लगेगी, इतनी चीज़ें लगेगी, ठीक है. सो ही विल ऑब्वियसली नीड चिकन, देन ही विल नीड अ कुकर टू कुक द चिकन इन, देन ही विल नीड चिकन इंग्रेडिएंट्स टू कुक द चिकन फ्रॉम, देन ही विल नीड अ वे टू कुक द चिकन, की मतलब चिकन बनता कैसे है, एंड देन ये सब चिकन बनाएगा कौन, भूखे लोग, या तो फिर यू कैन ऑल्सो कॉल दिस यूज़र, you can also call this Omkar himself. Okay, so now to correlate this to the program, we can see, like, okay, first of all, let's not get confused by what is this, this thing or this thing or this thing. Scanner, these things are called scanner class and scanner statements, and these are used to take input from the user, and this you can and these are only syntaxes, so you don't need to worry about them much, but these are only one line statements which you have to remember. What you need to understand here is, whenever we bring chicken, ठीक है, तो first we need to wash it, then we need to boil it, तो पूरा like it grows soft, and then we need to eat. Okay, so where do we do all that stuff? We do all that stuff in the cooker. So point of understanding is, cooker is the thing, what do we say, cooker is the part, or cooker is the stuff where you actually put in all the things and you cook something. That is cooker, and in a Java program your cooker is your main function. So here we can see like now public static void main. So this main function, at this point all the things in the classes are called here, and then these statements are executed by the compiler, and then the output is shown. So moving on to next. Now, like, what is int a and what is int b, and why have I written this like this? So void add is what we call as a function, and these statements here, and these two statements written here is int a and int b. So void add has two parameters in its execution, which include int a and int b. इसका मतलब ये होता है. So now where do I get value of a and b? So to get the value of a and b, I have used a scanner class, and I have asked the user to like enter first number. So this statement will print ki enter first number, then the cursor will go on to this statement, and then it will take the input value from the user. After that, on this the cursor will come to next line, and then it will execute the next statement, which is enter second number, and then after executing this, it will come down, and then it will take the input value and store it where it will store in variable b, and which type of data it will have integer type of data. Similarly, in the first one, where it will store at variable place a, and the data type will be int. So what I have done here actually is, I have created void add and so this is my function and these are my variables. So the smallest things we need to use here is our litless function, which are like जो हमने यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे यूज किया है. So the छोटी चीज़ जो चिकन बनाने के लिए चाहिए रहती है, वो क्या हो गई, फिर हमारे वेरिएबल्स हो गए, क्योंकि हमने वेरिएबल्स वी आर यूजिंग वेरिएबल्स है ना, हेयर ऑल्सो. सो द चिकन इंग्रेडिएंट्स will be called as variables. Then बनता कैसे है, उसमें होता क्या है, एंड दैट इज शोन इन void add. बंदा मतलब जो जो हमने फंक्शन बनाया इधर, ठीक है, जो हमने इधर फंक्शन बनाया, व्हेन वी शो इट इन void add, तो जब ये वैल्यू यहाँ से लेता है तब ये फंक्शन में जाता है इधर वैल्यूज़. व्हेन वी टेक all values from here, two numbers from here, these numbers are sent to void add. कि what do we do next? Then void add takes these values and then it adds them and then it prints out the sum. Okay, and then what does object do? Now खाना बनाता कौन है? जिसको खाना होता है ना. तो similarly ऑब्जेक्ट बनाएगा कौन? जिसको ये चीज़ को यहाँ लाना पड़ेगा ना, दैट विल बी ऑब्जेक्ट. अभी इतना सब जैसे चिकन लाया, कुकर लाया, चिकन इंग्रेडिएंट्स लाए, रेसिपी चिकन, वेयर हु विल ब्रिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स टू एट दैट पॉइंट एट दैट प्लेस टू कुक? वी विल ब्रिंग द यूज़र or Omkar will bring it to that place. So in a Java program, the work of bringing all of the things in all of the places in the program into the main or into the cooker is done by object. And now how do you create objects? It's a simple sentence. It's a syntax only. So it's like how do I say it? It's like class ka object, then object ka naam, then new, then class ka object again, and then bracket. That's how you do it. So once you have typed out the object's name, then you simply do it like, object ka naam dot function ka naam, and you input the values you have taken from the user here. So where have you taken the values? At A, and then the first value you want to put is A, so correspondingly A, so A here. Then the second value you want to put where it is stored, it's stored in B. So you put B here, so B here. So after the cursor will come here, after the cursor will cross this point, it will come to the next line, then it will come to the next line. After the cursor comes here, it will see this sentence, it will execute it, an object will be created with the name of obj. When you call this object, I'm so sorry. When the object is created, the execution of this sentence is done, so the cursor will come to the next sentence. In this sentence, using the object, we have called a function named add, which has two parameters of int variable type, namely A and B. Now, what are the values of A and B? We have taken here from the user using scanner classes. So simply we write obj dot add and in brackets A comma B. So I hope everybody understood this. Now to simply just show the running of this program, we can right click on void main, click on OK. So it asks the first number. The first number is F. Let's call the first number 5, and then the second number 7, and then the output should come 12. So output sum is 12. Thank you for listening. Sorry for time extension. And that's all. Thank you.